Now, before proceeding any further with the construction of this DC power supply, it is important to test it. See, so the power supply is working and now it is time to test the output voltage. And here we have 13 volts AC, which is good. Now the capacitor that I will be using here will be 40 volts DC and a 7100 microfarad. So finally our portable high current power supply is fully complete. It can handle a maximum up to 400 amperes peak. So let's test it. Working pretty good. Here we have a 24 volts motor. The voltage is high, so the RPM is going to be a little low, but starting torque is going to be very high. Nice. Moving on to one of the most high current motors, 32 amperes, NIDEC, 12 volts. This is going to create a lot of spark, so I have to be careful. Oh, once again. Oh man. Let's try it now. What? See the amperes? I really got scared. This time I'm going to hold it really strong. You see? So high current. Such a high current motor running with this power supply. That is just great. Oh. Now moving on to the highest current bike starter motor, and oh, see. Oh, extremely high current power supply working so nice. Feels like a racing bike. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. Take care. Bye bye.